Hey, what's up, y'all? It is Thais here. So, I did stretch my hair overnight in these braids after washing it. And I am taking my hair growth to the next level this year. So, I have incorporated daily scalp massages into my regimen just to maximize the blood flow to my hair follicles so that I can see increase at the end of the year. So, it is quarter one, and I've been very consistent with leaving my hair alone, and I've decided to end the year or go the rest of the year by doing mini twists only. So for today I will be using the Donna's Recipe sweet potato pie, scalp oil, butter, and leave-in conditioner to moisturize and seal my twists so that it can last for the next 2 weeks while I leave them alone. And this stuff smells amazing. It smells just like a fresh baked pie. This makes my hair so easy to detangle. And now I will be parting my hair into little small sections, not too tiny, probably like 1 inch. And then I take a little bit of that butter on the tip of my finger, apply it to the section right there. And then I go ahead and separate it into two pieces and twist it around itself straight to the end. So this has been my bi-monthly routine for doing my mini twists, and I'm so happy that you gave me a suggestion. I do listen to you guys, and I seen that someone said, why don't you try wearing mini twists for the rest of the year just to maximize your length retention? And I would admit, I do notice when I wear mini twists, my hair grows so fast. But in the past, I haven't been consistent. Like, I would do it like 2 times in a row, and then I just move on to other hairstyle. Then before you know it, the year is up, and I only did mini twists like twice that year. So I'm hoping to end out 2024 with just mini twists, just to see my progression and see how well my hair takes to being consistent with it. So if you have a thicker density of hair like me, you can get away with doing this entire hairstyle by just parting with your fingers because the parts won't be exposed. But if your hair is finer, then you would do better with using a comb for parting. This way, when the parts are exposed, they look neater. So I went straight back, and then I am going down vertically to form like about a 1 inch in thickness section. Apply some of that hair butter from the ends all the way to the roots without getting it on the scalp. Split it into two sections, and then you just twist that section around itself straight to the ends. So if you want your twist to come out much more neater or tighter, you want to twist as close to itself as possible. If you want your twist to come out looser, then you are going to twist as loose as possible. But for me, I'm okay with a tighter twist. I like my twist to look nice and defined, so I'm twisting as close to itself as possible, straight to the ends. Once I get to the end, I just twirl it around my finger to lock that twist in, and then I move on to the next section and repeat all over my head. So the best part of the hairstyle has arrived. I am finished, and this took me about 4 minutes to complete. So I love the size that I did. This size is perfect because it don't take as long. If I do them smaller, then it will take a whole lot longer, probably up to 6 hours. So I just stick to this size. It's not too small, but it's not big at the same time. And my hair is nice and flowy and light, and I am ready for another 2 weeks of rest on my natural hair. Thank you so much for watching. Give this video a rating and subscribe for weekly videos. And don't forget to download your free hair care guide down below.